After leaving Las Vegas this morning, we hit the snow just outside Williams, Arizona, where we're only here for one night, on our way to Silver City, New Mexico. Then the weather clears up as we head southeast through the wonderful Arizona-New Mexico mountains. Christmas has arrived in Silver City, New Mexico. They have some beautiful window decorations. I hope you like them as much as we did.
I'm standing in the middle of the road in Silver City. It is a wonderful, wonderful little town. There's Art Deco hotels. There's a big university here. It's full of art, the most incredible murals, and little tile inlays on the steps that you go up to get off the road back onto the footpath. And no one, absolutely no one, has put any graffiti on them. There is no graffiti. You could easily go through and chip these little mosaics off. You could write your tag, but no one has done it. It's a wonderful little place. There's more to explore here than meets the eye.
This is us all set up in Silver City RV Park. Our next stop was in Alpine, Texas, and we woke up our first morning to a very icy cold morning. We had a fun day wandering around Alpine, looking at all the different buildings and the murals of the history of the town, taking in a coffee here and there. The end to another great visit to Alpine. Please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification button. Feel free to leave a comment below. Our next stop is Fredericksburg in Texas.